As we can see, the Docker image Metabase is available in images. So now we will run it. So go to optional setting and keep the container name as you wish. I am keeping as Smart Data Camp, and port number I am keeping 1234. Run. So here you can see in container, our container has been started. It is showing as status as running. So here is the log. So here you can keep a track on it. So once it is active, we will execute Metabase. So it has been just 14 seconds. The Metabase container has been running. So once all the initialization is completed, we will open the URL. So here you can see it is showing a URL. By default, the port number is 3000. Since I have some application running on port number 3000, so I have switched to 1234. So once I click on it, it will get open. So here you can see Metabase is getting loaded. So click on Let's Get Started. I'll select language as English, fill all this detail, and we will get back to it. So as of now, I am stopping the video over here. We'll see once we fill all this detail, we will see the Metabase screen. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video. So welcome back. After filling all the essential details, we will get this Metabase screen where we can create dashboard and perform our analysis. By default, we have some databases, sample database, and some analytics. Like for example, a summary of orders. So this is how you can generate graphs in Metabase. So this is the dashboard. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.